Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2 BBXWA000. The error reads, "A network error occurred." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users are playing Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra and get disconnected mid-match. After that, they receive this error code and are unable to continue playing. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but it looks like the issue is happening from the server side due to server outages or maintenance. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your network. Simply turn off your Nintendo Switch and router, then unplug them from the power source and wait for a few minutes, and then restart both. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Simply go to your game library and select Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra and check if any update is available. If yes, update the game and check for the error again. If the error persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This will help confirm if the issue is related to your current network. After switching, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it is likely that the servers are down. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.